Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shall show you how I have a problem with my water leak on my aircon. Now, 2 weeks ago, while I was sleeping, all of a sudden I felt cold drops of water falling onto my head. Now my aircon is actually over my bed. So I was wondering, where is this water coming from? And I looked up and I saw water dripping down from my aircon. I was surprised. It was just disturbing my sleep. So I had to switch off the aircon and the next day try to see how to solve this problem. The videos that you will see subsequently will tell you or will show you how the water is leaking out from my aircon. Now the problem is that sometimes the aircon is too cold and you have hot air and air in the room. The condensation causes the water to leak and drain out through the aircon drain pipe and out through the outlet at the back. Now if the outlet is clogged with dust and dirt from the aircon itself, now this will clog up the hole and it will cause the water to form a pool and overflow, and that overflow comes out through the aircon split unit. So that's how we have the water overflow, the water leakage from the aircon. So understand the principle and then you know how to solve the problem. So once I've identified the problem, I call up my aircon repairman and ask him whether he could come over and help me repair my aircon water leak. You know what he said? Sorry, it is locked down now in Malaysia. It's no use for me to come over and help you because I only charge you 250 ringgit to do the repairs. But if I get caught during the lockdown whereby I'm not supposed to go out and do all these repair jobs, they will fine me 5,000 ringgit. Now that's stupid of me just to chase 250 ringgit job and incur a 5,000 ringgit fine. So I cannot get a aircon repairman to solve my problem. What do? I tried YouTube. So what did YouTube teach me? I saw many videos. They taught me open the front cover of the aircon, the split unit, and then from there you can clear out the blockage to the outlet of your drain pipe. Now when I tried opening the aircon unit, it had 3 screws, and once I unscrewed it, the problem was that I couldn't take out the whole unit. It was a bit difficult. So I said, oh my gosh, this is another problem now. I cannot unfasten the front cover of the aircon unit. So what shall I do? So I screwed back all the screws and started thinking of alternative way of doing it. Now, the problem was the outlet pipe could not discharge water fast enough from the condensation. So I started thinking, okay, why don't I go through the back way and clean out the drain pipe? That was a good idea, much more simpler. I did not have to take out the whole cover of the aircon. So let me show you how I did it. And it was so simple. Okay, before you do any repairs to the aircon, it's best to switch off the main switch to avoid any electrocution. I was electrocuted before, so I know what it feels like. Go to the outlet. You can see the water outlet from the aircon is connected to another pipe. So what you do is that disconnect the joint, pull out the aircon unit water drain pipe, and the water will come out from there. Now this drain pipe is the one that's causing the water to discharge slowly because of it being clogged up from the inside. Sorry, that was my dog barking. As the water outlet is clogged, what you need to do is to get a soft wire in order to put it through the drain pipe and pull out all the dirt from behind. This is a soft wire which I use. It's very flexible and you can push it down the drain pipe, push it up the drain pipe and try to remove any dirt from which is clogging your outlet at the back of the aircon. So try to get as much dirt as you can, get it out from the pipe, and once that's out already, the water flow should be better and the leak should stop already. Also try clearing out the dirt from the other side of the pipe, the other side of the connector. Okay, after you've done clearing the dirt from the Aircond water outlet pipe and also the other connector pipes, now just to test out and see whether the water is flowing out properly from the Aircond, I put a sponge in order to see to ensure that the water drops properly into a bucket. I switch on the aircon and now you can see the water coming out from the aircon discharge pipe, water just dripping down into the bucket itself. I let the aircon run for half an hour to an hour and you can see the water droplets is now becoming frequent and the flow is quite good now. It shows you that the clogged drain pipe is now being cleared. It's running over 1 hour now and you can hear the water dripping faster, and that means there's no more clog. The water collected can be recycled and put for your plants. Well, I hope you learned something today. That means it's so easy just to unclog the dirt from the drainage, just going through the back way. Just use a simple soft piece of wire, put it down the outlet, the water outlet, and drag any dirt out from behind, and then your water comes out very easily. So that ends my educational video on how to repair or to unclog the water leak from your aircon. It is quite simple. Sometimes we just have to find another way to do things. Don't go the front way. Sometimes you have to think the back way. Good. Alright, till my next video, I will see you. Bye.